Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Is waking up to giraffes and zebras always a good thing? Let's break down the pros and cons of this unique Disney resort. Hey there friends, Erica here. Welcome back to our channel. Is it just me or does everyone get so excited whenever someone mentions Animal Kingdom Lodge? All I can picture is beautiful savannas and hanging out with our favorite African wildlife. And while the giraffes and zebras often steal the show, there's so much to love about this deluxe category resort. So, is this iconic resort perfect for your group? Let's explore the pros and cons of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. First up are pros and why we're wild about this resort. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge has an African safari theme that is totally immersive. From the moment you step foot inside, it's like you've been transported to Africa and dropped right into the middle of a scene from The Lion King. And while the resort itself is absolutely stunning, it's filled with hand-carved mahogany furniture and original African artwork. The real showstoppers are the 3 savannas on property. Here you'll find the giraffe, zebra, ostrich, and so many more of our animal friends. If you have any animal lovers in your group, this is definitely the place to be. Okay, every Disney resort has their own special room types and views. But honestly, can any of them compare to watching giraffes grazing right outside your balcony? The Savanna View rooms at this resort offer one-of-a-kind views of the savannah and all of its animals. There's truly nothing better than enjoying a cup of coffee and breakfast, or a glass of wine after a long day in the parks on your balcony, taking in all the sights and sounds of the African savannah. If you're not sure which room is best for you, check out our Savanna View room tour over on our channel for a detailed look at this room option. We'll put that link in the description box below as well. We'll be honest with you, the food here is best described as adventurous, but it also has some of the best food in Disney World. Sticking to the African-inspired theming, you'll find some unique dishes next to some more traditional American options on all of the menus at this resort's restaurants. For my picky eaters out there, don't worry, there are plenty of options for you. Our favorite here has to be Boma, which features a delicious breakfast buffet with carved ham, made-to-order omelets, and those famous Simba waffles. A great option for both adventurous and picky eaters alike. Check out our full Boma review for more on this delicious resort pro. Alright, it's time to get into those cons. Now, here's the deal. We love how immersive this resort is. You truly feel like you're in the heart of Africa. But there's a drawback: location. While you're close to Animal Kingdom, this resort is incredibly far away from the rest of the theme parks and other resorts. This means increased travel times and likely earlier mornings to ensure you arrive in time for early theme park entry. Now, how about that transportation? Well, unfortunately, there's only one mode of transportation at this resort: the bus. And while you can walk to the parks like Magic Kingdom and Epcot from resorts that are located in those areas, you can't even walk to Animal Kingdom. So while the bus gets the job done, having only a single transportation option is definitely a con for this deluxe resort. Alright, you probably could say this about most of the Disney resorts, but this one in particular is quite spread out. It's not at the level of Caribbean Beach, but if you find yourself on the end of one of those long resort hallways, you could be experiencing quite a walk to get to the lobby, pool, dining, and transportation. Trust us, a long walk to your room is not what you want after a long day enjoying the parks. But don't worry, if you're looking to score the best room with the perfect location at this resort, be sure to check out our Animal Kingdom Lodge room request tip video. Okay, Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is in the deluxe category, so you already should be expecting to pay a little bit more to stay here. While the resort is reasonably priced by Disney standards and compared to other deluxe resorts, when you compare it to the moderate category resorts, there's quite a jump in price. At the time of this video, a standard resort room here starts at $450 per night, and a Savanna View room starts at $700 per night. As you can see, these are pretty pricey, especially for those Savanna views that everyone wants and dreams of if you're staying at this resort. In the end, choosing the right resort always depends on the individual needs of your group. If you're looking for a resort with incredible theming, one-of-a-kind views, or you simply have animal lovers in your group, then we highly recommend this resort. If you're more about convenience or will be spending most of your time in the parks, then we suggest checking out Yacht and Beach Club or Caribbean Beach Resort. Head over to our channel for all of our content on these 2 resorts. Well, that wraps up this pros and cons video for Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. We hope this video helped you make the right resort choice for your next trip to Disney World. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our Disney content, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys!